Hello children, welcome to the e-learning channel. Children, we have started lesson number 6, the coastal plains and islands yesterday, in which we have studied about western coastal plain and eastern coastal plain. Clear? Now moving towards next, today we are going to study about the islands. Clear? There are two islands, Andaman and Nicobar Islands. First of all, we are going to study. Then we will study about Lakshadweep Islands. The Andaman and Nicobar Islands are located in the Bay of Bengal. You also know it is towards Bay of Bengal. Clear? See, Andaman Nicobar Islands and it is Bay of Bengal. Now they said they contain about 300 islands. In Andaman and Nicobar Islands, there are total 300 islands. Most of them are smaller in size. Most of the islands are very small in size. The islands have dense forest. These islands have forest. Dense forest means ghane jungle. Dense forest, and only a few of them are inhabited. Inhabited means people, very few are them in which people they live. The northern part is called the Great Andaman, while the southern part is called Nicobar group. Two groups are there. The northern ऊपर वाला जो portion, northern part is called Andaman group, and the southern part is called Nicobar group. Now children, the southernmost point of the Andaman and Nicobar Islands is called the Indira Point Sea. This is Indira Point in the corner. I will show you in the map also children. This is Indira Point in Andaman and Nicobar Islands. This is Andaman, northern side, and this is Nicobar Islands. Clear? So, due to tsunami in 2004, Indira Point is partially submerged. When the tsunami came in 2004, some of its part got submerged. Submerged means डूब गया था. During the British period, prisoners were sent in the cellular jail here. In Andaman and Nicobar Islands, there are cellular jail. They have shown you from in the picture. During the time of Britishers, people they are sent to this jail only. Clear? And it was called काला पानी. वो काला पानी सजा बोली जाती थी उस समय में. The capital of Andaman and Nicobar Islands, you all know very well, is Port Blair. The climate of these islands is pleasant. सुंदर सुहावना मौसम होता है. During the monsoons, rainfall is very heavy. है ना, heavy rainfalls they cause. Andaman and Nicobar Islands are places of tourist interest. Means people they want to visit these islands. Port Blair is the capital of this union territory. You also know people from many parts of India have settled here. From people from all over the country, they came and settled here. The cellular jail is now turned into a national monument in honor of many freedom fighters. People, children, as they told you, during Britishers, many of the freedom fighters they are kept in cellular jail. So in memory of them, it is converted into a national monument. The tribals here speak many languages. Tribal means Banjare. They speak many languages, but Hindi is the most common language over here. Fishing is an important occupation. As I told you, in the coastal areas, the main occupation is fishing. Rice, coconut, rubber, spices, and fruits like papayas and pineapples are widely grown here. Okay? Farmers, they grow these crops, even fruits. Now Lakshadweep Islands. Lakshadweep Islands are a group of 36 islands in the Arabian Sea. Okay? Andaman Nicobar Islands has got 300 islands, and here it has got only 36 islands. These islands are close to the Malabar coast. Clear? Malabar coast के पास होता है. You know. The Lakshadweep Islands are small and flat. चपटे होते हैं. About 10 of these islands are inhabited. Out of 36 islands, only 3 islands are there. 10 islands are there in which people they live. Most of the people rely on agriculture and fishing for their living. Most of the people living here, they do agriculture, farming or fishing. Kavarati is the capital of this union territory. Many tourists visit Lakshadweep because of its coral deposits. Coral is the name of the animal. When they got dead in water, it get one above the other. These corals get deposited, due to which these Lakshadweep Islands they form. Clear? Now life in the eastern coastal plain. The eastern coastal plains include the states of West Bengal, Odisha, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, पुडुचेरी, कन्याकुमारी एंड अंडमान निकोबार आइलैंड्स। ईस्टर्न कोस्टल प्लेन में ये सारी स्टेट्स आती हैं. सो वी विल स्टडी वन बाय वन about them. Now West Bengal. West Bengal is the northernmost part of the eastern coastal plain. According to map यहाँ पर आता है ये वेस्ट बंगाल. ठीक है, फिर इन्होंने कहा कि दिस स्टेट इज पार्शली इन द नदर्न प्लेन्स, ठीक, एंड पार्शली इन द कोस्टल प्लेन्स. ये स्टेट जो है वेस्ट बंगाल, हाफ ऑफ द state is in northern plains and half of the state is in coastal plains. Kolkata is the capital. It is situated on the bank of Hooghly river. You also know very well West Bengal situated on Hooghly river. Ganga and Brahmaputra rivers make the land in this state very fertile. Rice and jute are the main crops. Ganga and Brahmaputra, they are the major rivers, and rice and jute are their main crops. Now Odisha. Bhubaneswar is the capital of Odisha. People of Odisha, they do farming, fishing and mining. Mining means खान से क्या निकालते हैं, मिनरल्स निकालते हैं. ठीक है, तो 3 occupations are there: farming, fishing and mining. Odisha is rich in minerals like iron, coal and manganese. These are the minerals found in this state, Odisha. It is a leading producer of iron ore. सबसे ज्यादा यहाँ पर आयरन ओर का प्रोडक्शन होता है. Rourkela steel plant is located in Odisha, and that is why this steel plant is situated in Odisha. Jute and rice are the main crops. Odia is their main language. Odissi is their popular classical dance. Cuttack is an important city. Cuttack is the name of the city in Odisha and center of business and industry. यहाँ पर कटक एक ऐसा शहर है वहाँ का जो कि बिजनेस के लिए और इंडस्ट्री के लिए फेमस है. पुरी अट्रैक्ट्स many devotees and tourists alike to witness the जगन्नाथ रथ यात्रा. ये जो पूरी जगह है ये बहुत सारे पूजा पाठ के लोगों को अपनी तरफ अट्रैक्ट करता है. जो लोग बहुत पूजा पाठ करते हैं, जगन्नाथ रथ यात्रा वगैरह के लिए बहुत शौकीन रहते हैं उन लोग. The famous Sun Temple at Konark is a popular tourist spot. Famous Sun Temple is also a very famous spot. Chilika Lake is very famous for its bird sanctuary, which is a major tourist spot. Now, next state is Andhra Pradesh. Hyderabad is the capital of Andhra Pradesh. Visakhapatnam is the coastal region, has a large port. Port means the place from where loading and unloading of the products are done. Shipbuilding is undertaken in shipbuilding yards. Ships भी बनाई जाती हैं यहाँ. Then Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu is located in the south of India. It is towards its south. Kaveri river flows through in it. Chennai is the capital. Clear? Earlier it was known as Madras. It is the fourth largest city in India. Tamil Nadu is the 4th largest city in India. So yes. Sorry, Madras. Madras is the 4th largest city in India. Tamil Nadu, the southernmost state of India, grows rice, cotton, sugarcane, groundnuts, oilseeds, and tobacco. These are the crops grown in Tamil Nadu by the farmers. Tobacco means tambaku. Silk industry employs many people. ठीक है, silk in silk industry also many people they work. Kanjivaram silk is very famous in Tamil Nadu. Sivakasi is famous for its cracker factories. Crackers means पटाखे की फैक्ट्री के लिए फेमस है सिवाकासी. रेलवे कोच फैक्ट्री है पेराम्बूर में. It is one of the largest in Asia. Marina Beach in Chennai is the longest beach in India. Men of Tamil Nadu wear shirts and dhotis. People over here wear shirt and dhotis. Silk, sari and flowers adorn the women of Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu की women's silk saris they wear and they put flowers. Tamil is their main language. Bharatnatyam is the famous classical dance of Tamil Nadu. Pongal is the harvest festival. Meenakshi temple at Madurai and Mamalapuram temples are well known. These 2 temples are very famous over here. One is Meenakshi temple and the other is Mamalapuram. Clear? I hope children, whatever I taught you, 3 states I taught you today: West Bengal, Odisha, Tamil Nadu and Andhra Pradesh. 4 states I taught you. I think you all have understood it well. Read the chapter, children. Stay at home, stay safe and keep yourself healthy. Thank you.